Today marks a significant day in our state and nation. Juneteenth is rooted in more than 150 years of history, commemorating the official end of slavery in the United States and recognizing the challenges, accomplishments, and progress made in the African American community. This is an emotional time in Georgia and across America, a moment we will not soon forget. Over the last several weeks, we have all witnessed injustice with our own eyes. And in every corner of our country, Americans of every background are demanding change. As we observe Juneteenth, I'm urging all Georgians to unite. Let's support our fellow Georgians in the African American community. Let's reaffirm our shared commitment to our highest ideals, liberty, and justice for all. By standing together during these difficult times, we can build a better Georgia where all can prosper. Together, as we have before, I'm confident that we can emerge stronger and more united than ever. God bless you, God bless our country, and may God continue to bless the great state of Georgia.